Salutations, Proboscis2 here, and this is the future of Wii modding. Hopefully, if enough people are still interested in this crap. But anyways, oh, gotta click on the window. This is a Three Stooges sound theme that I made for the Wii menu, and also for
We get no place fast.
the disc channel, because I wanted to show that you can edit the menu, graphics, and the sounds at the same time. So, yeah.
We get no place fast.
Yeah, also I made a custom version of the Wii channel, or sorry, Mii Channel, called the Garbage Mii Channel. And,
We get no place
at first
fast.
glance there's nothing different about it, but we'll get to that later. So I am going to show you just the sound theme I made, because I spent a lot of time on this today. Connection settings. Let's listen to the connection test. I always notice how it gets quieter. I wonder why they made it like that.
Oh, right, guys.
No, thank you. Yeah, I'm sticking with 4.1U. Thank you. Let's make a note of something. No, wait, that's the wrong. We gotta go to the envelope. Oh, what's this? The Garbage Mii Channel.
I'll make a note of it.
So you can hear it's all Three Stooges voice clips and sound effects. It's quite amusing, I think. Post? Yeah.
I'll make a note of it.
Let's try changing the disc.
We get no place fast.
See, I re-enabled the unused DVD banner like Beta 64 did, and replaced it with Mo. And if we put a disc in, let's do that. Change disc. Wii ISOs. Let's do Pikmin 2. I made, well, the DVD doesn't spin, but I made that one Mo because he's a little smarter than the other two.
right, guys.
Oh, no, I don't want that, thank you. Alright, I'll be right back with the custom Mii channel. Alright, here we are on the custom Mii channel I made. Yeah, that's right, you can make customized versions of official Wii channels now too. So, as you can hear, I made sort of a symphony of Crash Bandicoot going whoa, because I replaced every single instrument sound in the R bank for the Mii channel with the Crash Bandicoot whoa sound effect. So you can also customize the graphics, as you can see here. This is all built into the WAD, by the way. This is not like custom textures on Dolphin. But yeah, so think of all the destruction we can do with this. I know that's where my mind instantly jumps when I, you know, learn how to customize games. Yeah, I should probably link the tools for these that I made. Well, I should probably link the tools that I used to make this, as well as the mods themselves in the description, but I haven't changed any. Okay, well, this is what happens when you use the wrong format of TPL on one you're not supposed to. Okay. Yeah, who we got here? We got Mike Stoklasa, we've got Hank Williams Jr., we've got three dudes who I don't know who they are. We've got Naked Patrick Star in full body, we've got Shrek, and we've got Orson Welles. It's getting annoying. Alright, well I just realized that I never showed the home menu sound effect on the Wii system menu.
We ain't getting no place fast.
So,
What's the big idea? Scram. What's the big idea?
I don't know why it slows down like that whenever it gets on this part. But I'm just testing everything. So yeah, that's pretty much the extent of what I've figured out how to do so far. So we can really use this to make our own stuff now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Hoi! Hello! Hoi hoi! Hello! Hoi! Hello! 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 Hoi! Hello! Hello!